Hey guys, welcome to my channel or welcome back to my YouTube channel. So right now I'm here in Cyber Hub. Actually from my previous video you just got to know that I got transferred here in Gurgaon from New Delhi and ताकि मैं अपने शिफ्ट पर लेट ना हूँ इसके चक्कर में मैं अपने घर से जल्दी निकलता हूँ क्योंकि बहुत ही दूर का डिस्टेंस है. इट्स अराउंड 40 to 42 किलोमीटर. सो दैट इज़ व्हाई आई जस्ट गेट आउट ऑफ माई होम early in the morning so that I can reach here on time. Even though my reporting shift is like around 1 something, but still I get out of my home just in case I find some traffic or something. So इसलिए और मैं जल्दी के चक्कर में इतना जल्दी पहुंच गया हूँ कि I still have like 1 hour and like for 1 hour I just have to roam around here and there so that I can spend some time because it is not allowed for us to go and report even if you come a bit early. You have to report on your shift timing only, otherwise it can create a problem. So it's very hot here. It's very sunny weather right now, and I'm sitting here because like everywhere wherever यहाँ पे भी छाया वाया हो रखी है जहाँ पे धूप नहीं लग रही है वहाँ पे बहुत सारे लोग बैठे हुए हैं. And because here no one is sitting. See, this is where I'm sitting right now. They have this place where people can sit and have their lunch or spend some time or whatever. So and they also have this chair which can rotate here and there. So right now you can see, and yeah. दिस माई सेकेंड डे इन गुड़गांव एंड हाँ लास्ट टाइम जब मैं आया था मतलब कि कल जब मैं आया था तो मैंने रैपिड मेट्रो ली थी सिकंदरपुर से. लेकिन फिर मेरे को किसी ने बताया कि यू कैन जस्ट कम आउट ऑफ द स्टेशन इन सिकंदरपुर एंड देन फ्रॉम देयर यू कैन टेक एन ऑटो और रिक्शा. दे विल ड्रॉप यू इन 10 rupees, which I think was the same amount because from the metro it took me 74 rupees and from GTV Nagar to Sikandarpur it charged me 60 rupees and then from there I paid 10 rupees. So again it is somehow same that I spent 70 rupees. So the expense is way too much. Like every day I'm spending around 500 to 600 because when I go back to my home it's very late at night, so I have to go by a cab or Rapido, and at night bike services are not available, so I have to book cab, which takes a lot of money. So yeah, it's quite hectic, but I have to continue because
मैं गरीब हूँ.
that was all in this video. Thanks for listening to my ranting. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.